It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We are located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors. They're also power folding and power extending. The programmable memory seat, a premium Bose sound system, and door storage. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the trailer mode button, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and the lighting controls. The park brake is just below that. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and the right side has our audio buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through this dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. It's equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also displays the outside temperature, the time, it's got navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. We've also got our bed view camera. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, the exhaust brake, park assist, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control. This button here rolls all 4 windows down at the same time. The trailer brake, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. This is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. To the left is our engine push start button. At the front of the Sierra, we have LED headlamps, black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch 6-spoke aluminum wheels, a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The box side step, the trailering package, and remote start, the rear window slider, and as we make our way to the back, you'll notice this truck has 4x4 and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We're going to drop it down by using the key fob here, pushing that button twice. This truck also has GM's multi-pro tailgate step. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and the rear speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, the rear fans, USB ports, and a power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've also got behind the seat storage behind either of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500HD SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at WesternGMCBuick.com.